Howdy, welcome to another episode of Honest Reviews, the recurring show where I review pro quality products that I don't want from brands you've never heard of. Again, this is my life now. Well, you don't quit while you're ahead. So will this week's 5-star product make the cut? What? Well, no, what are you doing?
You said cut.
No, I said make the cut.
Exactly.
What? No, that's an expression.
Well, I didn't.
Turn the camera back on. We good? Well, there's only one way to find out. Let's take a look at another Vegue microphone.
Hi, this is Lucas from Vegue. Followed your channel, so cool video. We have recently launched a new gaming microphone. We hope that you can unboxing test our microphone. It is best to compare with Fifine or Tonor microphone. Then we will provide you with exclusive discount code to give your fans. Look forward to your reply. Here's the product link, Lucas. Lucas was so excited, he typed up this entire email by hand. He then typed the entire thing out again and sent it to me twice within 2 minutes. Wow, thank you Lucas for followed my channel. I am very excited that you were so impressed with my last video, where the Vegue VG16 earned itself a remarkable 5 stars. Gabby will be missed in her position of official liaison for SparkYo Vegue relations, but I'm always elated to make new friends. And as an anime fan myself, I must say that your profile picture of a small cartoon child is absolutely delightful. Muy profesional. I am positive that this will be the start of a beautiful and transactional business relationship. So Lucas, in response to your generous offer, first I must apologize for responding with a video. I wanted to return your email directly, but unfortunately the official SparkYo email address can receive emails, but it cannot reply. I offered to pay a web professional a very large percentage of the channel's 2021 advertising revenue just to set up an email server. They were so greedy that they declined the opportunity. Lucas, I absolutely accept this offer from Vegue. I have bought the microphone with my own money, and since you haven't directly offered me anything of value for this video, I won't even click on that pesky paid promotion checkbox in YouTube. Now apparently, many of my viewers are already enjoying a Vegue employee discount, but I'm still completely confident that you'll honor the deal. Just go ahead and post a comment on this video with an exclusive discount code for all of my fan. Also, if any of my other viewers would like to set up an email server in exchange for a massive cut of this year's profits, then please submit your application down below the Vegue discount code, which will definitely be there. Alright, now let's pull up the Amazon page and take a look at their commercial. Starting with the logo, that makes sense. Okay, wow, it looks like they actually made a proper ad for this one. I see they put in the work to render the microphone and even add music. Oh, they are effectively communicating features that a customer might want. You know what? I'm pretty convinced that Vegue didn't even steal a video from YouTube this time. I'm pleasantly surprised. This ad earns itself an effort rating of A4. Speaking of pleasant surprises, let's unboxing the newest Vegue microphone. Here we are in the workshop. I even put together a special workbench solely for unboxing Vegue products. But wait a minute, this is set up all wrong for unboxing a Vegue microphone. There we are, much better. Okay, so now let's take a closer look and continue on with the unboxing. Everything is printed with a red accent, which matches the color I bought. It also comes in blue. I'm having a real hard time figuring out how to open this thing. I wish there was some kind of open here label. I mean, it looks like I should be able to get this tab out, but it's a real struggle. It's just not working. Do better, Vegue. Alright, well, on to plan B, I guess. I think we'll just have to carefully slit open the side of the box here. Dang, I missed it. Well, that was pretty close. I'm sure it'll be fine. See, it worked like a charm. It's definitely much easier to open now. I'll be able to unbox the Vegue VM30, no problem. Let's just get this proprietary unboxing tool out of the way. It's plan B beautiful. We'll just slip it out of the box and move on to testing. Let me just lubricate it here real quick so nothing gets stuck. This lube is a secret formula. It's an old family recipe that's been passed down for generations. And I gotta say, so far, the Vegue VM30 is comparable to the Fifine or Tonor microphone. It looks like we've got it nice and slippery. One way or another, it's gonna come out of the box. Hey, what do you call a pencil without any lead? Pointless! And that's a pretty sharp joke, right? I get all my jokes from Amazon Prime. You have to buy a subscription for the service, but the delivery's great. Alright, now that we're ready to go, let's talk about the build quality. Overall, I'm a bit disappointed with the all-plastic construction. There's no obvious screws, and that is going to make it much harder than usual to do a normal, non-destructive teardown of the Vegue VM30 Gaming Microphone. I just don't think this microphone is going to be durable enough for heavy usage in a professional studio. I like this microphone's style, but I hope Vegue improves the build quality in future revisions of the hardware. Not to forget the unboxing experience, which also leaves a lot to be desired. Now at long last is the part you've all been waiting for. Let's set up the Vegue VM30 and get to the audio test. And, okay, there, alright. Yeah, that ought to do it. Okay, here's what the microphone sounds like. I'm standing about 2 feet away, which is not a comfortable distance for me. And the windscreen on my camera is melting. Now let's give that a bit more gain. Now, let's move back and see what it sounds like at a safer distance. Well, it looks like that's all we're gonna get out of this unboxing review of the Vegue VM30 Gaming Microphone. I hope you liked it. The results speak for themselves, but leave a comment and let me know what you think. I'll see you back here next time for another SparkYo Honest Review.